Damn, it's raining like hell there. Yes. This is exactly what we need. No shit, camera wasn't on, but it's already going, man. That was a little bit, but damn, it's slippery. Shit. But this is also a good road, man. Maybe that's why. Yeah, the start, I think without clutch kick, not great, but once you get going, man, once you get going, this old airport truck is good, but the way you get to there is just ass. We'll try to go easy, man, because yeah, you need to build up your experience from not to go all 100% and then just fuck up your car and then you have nothing else left. First we'll try with some donuts and then we'll see. Technically it's slippery enough. Ah! But damn, it's definitely possible, Jesus. Damn, the control didn't even have time to react, man. Man, we don't have the angle, I guess. Ah, okay, let's try again this corner, but from the other side. Oh! This time we did it. We just don't have to be full on the gas. I think previously that was the case. Didn't even expect that. No shit. What was that? Man, we are learning quickly as hell. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. You just need to make the throttle adjustments a little easier, man. No need to go on, don't put the gas to the metal. Oi. gas to the pedal, or what? Shit, pedal to the metal. Okay, maybe not so high speed, just like opa opa. No, what the fuck? Ah, didn't catch. Jeez, we need better seats, man. I'm flying all over the place. Let's see what's up with this corner. Fuck. Fuck, no, come on, man. Slowly, just flick it. A little bit of gas. Uh-huh. Okay, hold up. We can then put it back afterwards. Yeah, they really updated this track. Fuck. Man, maybe for the first day we need to chill down. Let's try one last. All good, but didn't have the power at the end. Yeah, man, maybe also our suspension is too soft. Man, I think that's all for today. It was all good fun and games, but don't need to force anything.